Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I have for you a get ready with me, and this look is perfect for weddings, graduations or any fancy event. I wore it to be my best friend's maid of honor at her wedding and I love the final result. And as I have said before, I am not a professional or an expert in makeup. I simply do the best I can with the tools I have at hand. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Once your face is hydrated, we start with the foundation. I am using Double Wear from Estee Lauder in the color Sand. This foundation is my favorite since it's oil-free and has a very good coverage that you can build up depending on the effect you want to achieve. In this case, I will not be doing my eyebrows or eyelashes because I just had done microblading and eyelash extensions, but you can do your normal eyebrow and eyelash routine, and you can also apply false lashes if you wish. We will start with our eyes, and I'm using this palette from Sephora called Shine Bright Like Enchanted Stars in the Sky, and I will use this Dusty Rose eyeshadow first, placing it on the entire eyelid. With this ivory color still from the Sephora palette, I will give a little light to the inner corner of my eye and to the brow bone. And then to give it a little bit more intensity, I will take this pink eyeshadow from the palette Bold Intensity from Oriflame in Peony tones, and I will place it on my eyelid. Afterwards, to give depth to my eyes, I will take this wine eyeshadow from the Sephora palette and place it at the outer corner of the eye, forming an inverted C as shown in the video, making sure to blend it very well with our brush. With a thinner brush, we take the same eyeshadow and place it on the lower part of the eye, starting in the outer corner and going just halfway as shown in the video. From the Oriflame palette, I will take this dark purple eyeshadow and place a little bit in the outer corner of the eye to give it more intensity. And then we blend all the colors together so they are even and we don't have any harsh lines. Again, from the Sephora palette, I will take this gold eyeshadow and place it in the central part of the eyelid to give it a little light and a touch of glitter, making sure to blend well and retouch any of the other colors if necessary. We place the same gold color in the lower part of the eye, but this time starting at the inner corner and ending halfway, joining it with the wine color that we placed earlier. From this CoverGirl palette called True Naked Jewels, I will take this pearl white color and place it in the inner corner of the eye and in the brow bone to give it shine and luminosity. To line the eyes, I will be using this Oriflame black marker from the Jordani Gold collection, and this marker is super cool because it does not smush and is super intense, and due to the shape of the tip, is very precise and easy to use. For the final touch of the eyes, I will put some mascara on my lower lashes using this Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara from L'Oreal. Before proceeding with the rest of the face, I like to apply a moisturizer for the lips so they are hydrated and ready for lipstick, and this time I'm using this Blueberry moisturizer from Oriflame. For concealer, I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter in the tone Neutral Fair, placing it in the parts that we want to give light to and to cover any imperfections of the skin. And then we blend it all in with a brush or a beauty blender. For contour, I will be using these bronze sticks that I am absolutely in love with. It's also from Oriflame from the Jordani Gold collection in the color Bronze Gold. I will place it on the cheeks, jawline, forehead, and nose and blend it all out with a brush or beauty blender. Afterwards, I like to use these pearls from Oriflame from the Jordani Gold collection as well, and these serve as bronzer and blush at the same time since the pearls are mixed colors. I take the brush and getting all the colors, I place it on top of the contour I did before to set it and accentuate it. With this loose powder from Mary Kay in the color Ivory 1, I will set the rest of my face, focusing on the T-zone and below the eyes. For highlighter, I will be using this gold color from the CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette, and I placed it on the top of my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and any other area that we want to illuminate and highlight. Finally, for the lips, I will use this lipstick from Oriflame's collection Jordani Gold in the color Nude Rose with matte finish. And with this final touch, this makeup is finished. This look is in gorgeous pink tones that makes it super versatile and can be combined with many colors of clothing and can be used in both day and night. Now we will move on to hair. After washing it and dry it, we will make curls to give it texture and volume. Then we take a section of hair from the crown of the head and we are going to tease it a little bit to give volume and height, and then we add a little hairspray so it can last all night. Then we smooth the top and secure it with bobby pins. Then I took a section of hair from one of the sides of my head and started making a French braid until I reached the center of the head and held it in place with bobby pins as shown in the video. On the other side of our face, I only took this section from the front and pinned it to the back of my head as shown, and you can leave loose hairs in the front to frame your face and give it a more effortless look until we have something like this. After this, I took the remaining hair from the sections I just pinned and teased it a little and roll it over to form a little bun that will give volume and be the base for the updo. With the remaining hair, I took small sections, smoothing them and pulling them upwards on top of the bun I made before and pinning them in place, trying to leave the ends of the hair loose to create a more boho look with curls hanging down. In my case, my hair is very short, so the curls do not fall as much and it does not have much volume. But if your hair is longer, it will be easier for you to achieve this look and it will look much prettier. We continue this process until all the hair is secure, and afterwards you can go back and touch up the curls at the end of the hair to accentuate them, as well as pull strands of hair around and accentuate these curls as well to give it a more relaxed touch. Now it's time to put on the dress. In this case, I wore a dusty rose halter dress and decided to accentuate it with golden accessories, which matches the tone I used in the makeup. And this is the final result of makeup, hair, and outfit. I hope you enjoyed this video and it will be useful for any event that you have in the near future. Do not forget to subscribe and help me sharing this video with your loved ones. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!